In this video, I want to test out Gemini's new deep research functionality. So I want to test out if Gemini Deep Research can find us a niche where we can start a new dropshipping store and make some money with dropshipping. So of course, it's getting harder and harder to find niches, to find hidden niches where we can start selling products, or where we can start creating a new dropshipping store, find hidden products, hidden niches, and so maybe maybe Gemini can help us with this. And so then I'm right now on the Gemini Deep Research website. I will put the link to this website in the video description down below, so you can right now you can test this for free. You can see we have a button, try deep research today, and this is for no cost. So this is the website. Here we have a little demonstration of the tool and what the tool is capable about, and it's looking really promising so far. And so then I want to see if this works, or what Gemini can find here. And so then I will click the button and let's see. Okay, now I made a free account with Gemini, so you can log in with your email address, or you can log in with your Google account or with your Apple account. Here you can see we have a normal chat window, looks a little bit like ChatGPT or something like this. And the prompt that I want to use, I already prepared a prompt. Let me copy the prompt and let me paste in the prompt here. So, and here is my prompt that I want to use for this test video in order to check the capabilities of Deep Research, Gemini Deep Research. The prompt is: I want to start a new dropshipping store, find 10 low competition e-commerce niches that are expected to grow rapidly in the next 6 to 12 months, prioritize evergreen potential and passionate audiences. So then, of course, we have to activate Deep Research, or it is already activated. Okay, we can click here on Dismiss, and let's see what he comes up with. So, okay, now we got a question here. Dropshipping niche selection strategy. I want to start a new dropshipping. Okay, this is our prompt. Then what's this more button here? Okay, okay, here are the different tasks. So Gemini breaks the task down in, or breaks the whole research phase in different tasks. And it's the for each identified category, conduct searches to assess the level of the competition, evaluate the evergreen potential of low competition niches. Okay, looks good so far. Then then let's okay, we can also edit the plan. So if we want to include something, or we want to delete something from the plan. But for now, let's press on the start research button here. So okay, now we can see live, I think, what he's doing. Okay, great. While I'm researching, feel free to leave this chat. Okay, I'll let you know as soon as I'm done. Okay, perfect. Yeah, now he searches the whole internet. Here you can see the different websites that Gemini checks for us, and in order to find some low competition products or niches that we can start a dropshipping store in. This is really good. Let's go a little bit down, further down here. So okay, here's even more. Let's see. And he is searching a ton of different websites. You can see all this website Gemini is searching for us, and or scraping for us. This is good. So right now we have researching 204 websites. Okay, and the deep research phase is finished, and now we get our results. So I think he scraped around 500 different websites. So this is really impressive. And here are the results. So we get a ton of text here. So here you can see everything he identifies. So top 10 low competition e-commerce niches for rapid growth. Then we have our executive summary, we have the introduction, and he wrote a lot of text here. I have to dig a little bit deeper into this off camera. Yeah, this is this is a little bit too much, but he yeah, breaks down every different step he took in the research phase. You can see the dominance of marketplace and the need for multi-channel selling. The growth importance of sustainability and ethical consumption, holy shnikes, and the power of social commerce and influencer marketing. Yeah, we get our marketing strategy right away. Okay, here we get a breakdown. Identify high growth product categories based on current trends. So we have, here are the current trends right now in the market. We have eco-friendly products, health and wellness, smart home devices, pet products, personalized gifts, and yeah, one more. Analyze competition levels, the dropshipping market. Okay, evaluating the evergreen potentials of low competition niches. Okay, and where are our products now? So let me see, what's this? Top 10 low competition e-commerce niches with rapid growth and passionate audience. Eco-friendly pet products. Okay, here are our potential niches, our potential winning niches. So let's see, do we have a table? Yeah, okay, here's a table. Summary of top 10 low competition e-commerce niches. Okay, here the niche names, eco-friendly pet products. Then we have brief description, potential product examples, and on more of information. Yeah, I really like this table here. So then we have specialized health and wellness supplements, personalized pet memorial products, niche digital planners and templates. Okay, digital product. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so looks really good. Yeah, and I think the next step. Okay, here we have the sources used in this report. So here we can see all the sources. Yeah, these are a ton of sources. Yeah, and I think the next step I would take when I want to start building my website, of course, the next step I would take is start building my store, or first of all, researching where I find the product. And yeah, so then if we identify a really good product that we like, where we can find a supplier for, then yeah, why not? Of course, we have to test this with Google Trends, for example, or different other tools, or Ahrefs or SEMrush, and look how the competition is, or even, yeah, put in the different product names or product niches into Google search, and yeah, maybe try to find or research it manually. And then of course, yeah, we can start to build our dropshipping store. And yeah, I think another step we could do is go a little bit deeper when we are interested, for example, in I don't know, in, let's say, yeah, eco-friendly pet products. So then we could put in something like find the top 10 eco-friendly pet product with low competition and high demand, or something like this. And then yeah, he could find this for us. But yeah, why not? Let's do this. Let's test it out. Or let's take another niche and test out another niche. So I want now Gemini Deep Research that he finds 10 different products for us that are high in demand but have low competition. Now let's not take pet products. So let's, for example, let's take this ergonomic home and office accessories. So let's take this, and yeah, let me create a text here real quick. Okay, let's use this prompt here. Please find 10 different products in the sustainable ergonomic home office accessories niche that are high in demand but have low competition. Yeah, and then yeah, let's fire this command and let's see what Gemini is or comes up with here. And yeah, maybe we can start with these products, our new dropshipping store, and yeah, make some money online. Let's see. Okay, and here are our 10 products in this specific niche that we can start selling online. So here you can see sustainable bamboo laptop stand. Okay, never heard of this. Ergonomic mouse pad with recycled materials. Okay. Sustainable wood desk organizer. Yeah, bamboo wireless keyboard and mouse set. Ergonomic footrest made from recycled ocean plastic. Okay, whatsoever. Okay, yeah, why not? Then yeah, of course, this products are really nice. I don't know the market for those products yet, but yeah, I have to search for these specific products on Google or use Ahrefs or SEMrush or something like this, and to dive a little bit deeper into these products or research those products a little bit more. But yeah, I think deep research from Gemini is really good, and I really like the output. And yeah, so I think I will play around with this tool a little bit more, and yeah, maybe I can find some more hidden gems here, and I definitely will keep you updated. So, and I think that's it for the video. So yeah, if you liked the video, if you found the video informative, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button, and also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am a small creator, and for me every subscription counts. And yeah, so then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.